Stop uploading blurry, low-quality photos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to completely transform your images from pixelated messes to using the Aiarty Image Enhancer. We'll cover everything from smooth AI upscaling and precise color correction to flawless face restoration and removing unwanted objects with a single click. Let's start it. First, go to your files and select the image whose quality you want to enhance. The default for the AI model has already been selected. However, you can choose from several other models here like Smooth Diff Vision, 2 More Detailed GAN Vision 3, AIG C Smooth Vision 3. I select third one. After selecting the AI model, click on Upscale and choose your target resolution by 2 by 4. Whether you want a sharper 2K, ultra clear 4K, or even stunning 8K output, Aiarty gives you full control. I select by 2. The result looks much sharper. Once you're happy with the result, simply click Single Export to save one image. AI model and upscale settings already selected in, we're ready to see. Now we will check the 2-pass processing option to further refine the details, and the system will automatically start generating the enhanced preview. Now, as you can see, this tree is looking incredibly smooth and perfect after the initial processing. But to show you the exact difference, let's change the upscale setting back to X1. The AI models will quickly reload and process the image to update the final preview. Next, let's explore the editing features. If you check the edit box under the adjustment panel, it unlocks the rotate and flip options. Here you'll find rotate left, rotate right, flip horizontal. Finally, we can switch to the dual screen view at the top to see a perfect side-by-side comparison. On the left side, the original textures are visible, and on the right, you can see how incredibly sharp the branches and leaves look after the AI processing. Now let's explore how we can enhance the color and exposure of this eagle image. On the right side panel, under the color section, make sure you check the enabled box to activate manual adjustments. The first tool you'll see here is Restore Color, which helps bring back any faded colors. Below that, we have temperature to make the image warmer or cooler. Let's adjust this slider slightly to find the perfect tone. The tint option to balance the green and magenta tones, exposure, contrast, saturation, and many more available to here. Once everything looks good, switch to the split screen view to admire the final vibrant result. As you can see, the original image has soft details and visible noise. To improve it, I'll enable face restoration, keep the AI model set to rebuild, and leave the blend mode on routine overlay. In just a few seconds, the AI restores facial details, reduces noise, and makes the portrait look much cleaner and more natural. Next, I'll turn on HDR and switch the AI model from bright to neutral for more balanced, realistic lighting. If we look at the before and after, we can clearly see the difference. In this beautiful beach picture, you can see that there are some flowers in the water and on the rocks. If you want to remove these flowers, first enable the AI eraser option at the very bottom of the right panel, and then click on the Edit Mask button. Now we have a brush tool. You can adjust the brush size according to your need, and we will slowly paint over the flowers that we want to remove. Once all the flowers are painted, simply click on Apply. The AI will now remove these flowers and blend the background perfectly in a natural way. I will show you the side-by-side, one showing the original picture with flowers, and the other showing the one without them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to your workflow.